Let's talk about moles. All of this is uneven. My foot's going into the grass. Now, I got hollowing out again. I'm gonna have to fix in the springtime. If you couldn't tell, let's see if you can see in there. Hollowing out. Ooh, that's a good view. Let's see how bad it is. Maybe an alien will show up. Anyways, this is all from the moles, you can tell where they pull it out. And then everything that's been draining out of all this stuff has been coming out, and it's all in this spot, so I need to fix that. But you can tell where the moles are going, because see how that used to be flat. Now it's all going in because they're running up there and going to the backyard. You can tell how it's all going down, dipping. But one thing that is cool, it wouldn't be a video without me showing you some new moles. I'm not going to do a video without showing you my moles. Got a major mole problem. Back at it again with the moles. Got some major moles out here. Let me show you what's going on.